We all drink water every day, but there is a right and healthy way to drink it. Today, we'll learn how to drink water properly. Water makes up about 60% of our body. Drinking it properly improves digestion, boosts energy, and makes your skin glow. Rule number 1, don't drink water while standing or gulping it too fast. Always sit down and sip your water slowly. Rule number 2, drink 1 or 2 glasses of water right after waking up in the morning. It removes toxins and activates your metabolism. Rule number 3, drink small amounts of water throughout the day. Avoid drinking a large amount at once. Try to sip water every hour. Rule number 4, hydration is not just water. Rich fruits like watermelon and cucumber help a lot. You can also add lemon or mint to your water for extra freshness. Rule number 5, after a workout, avoid drinking too much water instantly. First rest a little, then take small sips. This keeps your stomach and breathing comfortable. These simple steps will help you build a healthy water drinking routine. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.